also for mental health for them. Like companies are actually offering to attract Gen Zs mental health coverage, which has never been on the books prior to a couple years ago.
Well, there's
And then
always
for
something, but it was part of that employee assistant package, right? Here's your employee assistance package, and if you want to talk to somebody, here it is.
yeah,
There's a
you're
little
right.
bit
There
of
was
coverage, but there's not much, but there's something.
yeah, there was a phone number you could call. I remember putting these little "How are you feeling today?" smiley faces on my overhead bin, and it was a magnet. And you would, you know, mine was always smug.
Really? Shocked. So surprised.
Shocking. Every now and then it hit mischievous when we get that inkling. At least once a day. But the other thing for millennials in this article talked about fertility care and caregiving. So I found that just more eye opening. Like, oh, never thought that was a thing. Never thought about that. So the fact that there are things out there that are being brought to life and challenged can be a challenge to blue collar business owners to go like, oh, this is different. Like, why would we ever need that? You never know. And it's to be open with that mindset of, hey, how can we help attract other people to our organization